How to get rid of frequently visited sites on Safari. There are a few ways to get rid of frequently visited websites on Safari. Method 1. Delete individual websites. To delete an individual website from your frequently visited list, follow these steps. 1. Open Safari. 2. Click on the bookmarks icon in the toolbar. 3. Select the History tab. 4. Find the website you want to delete and click on the X next to it. 5. Click on the Delete button. Method 2. Clear your history. To clear your entire history, follow these steps. 1. Open Safari. 2. Click on the Safari menu in the top left corner of the screen. 3. Select Clear History. 4. Select the time range you want to clear from the drop-down menu. 5. Click on the Clear History button. Method 3. Disable the frequently visited list. To disable the frequently visited list altogether, follow these steps. 1. Open Safari. 2. Click on the Safari menu in the top left corner of the screen. 3. Select Preferences. 4. Click on the General tab. 5. Uncheck the box next to Show Frequently Visited Websites. 6. Click on the Done button. I hope this helps.